good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. So I had this video requested of me quite a bit. It's titled Billie Eilish coughs uncontrollably during her performance of No Time to Die in Miami. I think a lot of people are freaking out about this because you guys know what's going on right now in the world. I'm sure everyone knows. So for Billie to be coughing, I mean, and she's traveling, it's like, oh, whew. Okay, but I really don't think that's it. Hey. I love you! Hey. Okay, I haven't heard one cough. I haven't heard one cough. Hey. Hey. Bro, I'm vibing, bro. I do be vibing, though. Man, I love concerts, bro. Where I'm from, no big artist comes here, bro. It's so shit. It sucks. We were supposed to have G-Eazy, but he got taken away at the airport. Yeah, there's a little story time. G-Eazy was coming here, right? We had front row freaking tickets, bro. Me and my girlfriend. Guess what happened? He went to the airport. He got sent back to America. You want to know why? That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, I don't know for sure, but that's what a lot of people are thinking. Hey. Bro, does Billie Eilish have one bad song? Like, honestly, one bad song. So when does she cough uncontrollably? I love how many people are wearing green, bro. Okay. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, you. Hey, let's go. Time to die. Dude, oh, there she goes. She's coughing. Honestly, sometimes I feel like I am dying. That's the thing. Hey. And I'm not even kidding. There's like so much wrong with my body. It's unreal. Only once, only twice. Okay, so you know what? I think I got it. You know, she's coughing. You know, a lot of people, I don't know, are freaking out about this. I believe somebody said, though, when they requested this to me, that she does have asthma. So it's probably just her asthma. I really don't think it's a new virus going around, because I think that's what a lot of people are freaking out about this for. Like, dude, this got 40K views in one day off of a channel with, like, 100 subscribers. So like this is kind of going viral in a way, and a lot of people are talking about it. Guys, I think she's fine. If she has asthma, I'm sure it's just her asthma. And not to mention, imagine singing like her. Like, she has a very gifted voice, and for her to always be live, like, she has to play so many songs. Her voice is gonna get a little tired. The asthma's gonna kick in. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure she's fine, bro. That is it for the video. I'm not no doctor though, so don't get it twisted. I mean, dude, there's so much wrong with me. I don't even know what's up. Like my left arm, I'm serious. Okay, here's a little thing. If there's anyone who's smart, please leave a comment. Tell me what you think this is. In my left arm, the past 2 weeks, it's been like numb and tingly for like 2 weeks straight. And it's really, really bad at like nighttime. Like it hurts. Like it's just numb and tingly. And I don't know what's wrong with it. So, if somebody knows, please let me know. I got blood work done. I never got a call back, so I don't know. Anyways, that is it though for the video. Peace.